Hello there, I'm travelling across New Zealand delivering a solution-based 3-hour seminar jam-packed full of functional strategies to help you maximise your wellness. Now, as a researcher and director of the Brilin Functional Medicine Centre, I want to share with you what we think are the root causes of disease. In fact, I want to share with you knowledge that we believe can help prevent, manage, or even possibly reverse an unwanted condition. Now, with that said, the New Zealand regulations are tighter than my gym shorts after a holiday when it comes to medical claims. So, as a disclaimer, always do your own research and consult your own medical professional. Now, before I play testimonial videos from what other people are saying about my seminars, we've had seminars that are completely sold out, so make sure you get your tickets soon. Depending on when you're watching this video, look at the description, there might be an early bird discount. In the meantime, would you please share this video with your family and your friends, and thank you for watching, and I really look forward to meeting you.
Are you struggling with a health condition and finding no solution in sight?
My life will change because of it.
Don't miss the Great Health Awakening Seminar, now touring New Zealand.
I think William is absolutely brilliant.
It gave me a sense of hope.
Join William Bisset for a transformative health workshop.
Which is scientifically absolute rubbish.
Explore potential root causes of disease and learn essential strategies that may help prevent, reduce, or minimise health problems.
I've just been at William's talk, incredibly interesting.
Plus, there will be plenty of time for questions and answers.
In all the years that I've known him, that everything he says is true, and he says it from the heart and he means it. He's well researched, and he wouldn't say something unless he had well researched it. And I think this is for everybody to come and listen to. I brought a couple of friends along tonight, and they'll take away 2 or 3 really good things that will probably change their life. So I think coming along, even if one thing changes your life, it would be worth the investment in you.
William from the Brilin Functional Medicine Centre has been investigating evidence-based root causes of chronic health conditions for well over a decade. After losing many family members to cancer and facing his own chronic health conditions, William committed his life to uncovering the driving forces behind accelerated health degeneration.
So informative and answered so many questions.
William really covered some core foundational principles that I think anyone should know. He covered it really well.
Discover the Brilin approach, blending science, nature, and functional medicine for the whole family. Tickets are selling fast, so book now and transform your health journey today.
William has a very good way of explaining the most complex terms in a simple way.
This seminar is fantastic, really good. 2 hours of great stuff.
And just leaving here, people will feel better. They'll have a better energy. It'll be in the back of the mind all the time, oh, he mentioned that.
I would highly recommend, highly recommend. Everybody probably should hear this.
It's highly recommended to come to the talk. There's so much information here. I'm sure there's something that everyone can take away from it.
Everybody should come and hear these concepts.
In every topic of conversation, in each chapter, I took away a nugget of information each time, and over, say, 7 chapters, that all adds up to 7 nuggets of information, and you walk away with quite a lot. You actually understand and learn a lot more than you actually realise.
I'm sure everyone out there will be able to have one subject or one thing come to mind that they can relate to.
Anyone, particularly anyone that's got a health condition they're looking to alleviate, but anyone that's got an above average interest in health and wants to take a proactive approach to it.
People around me too, they had the questions, but they all came up and they all got answered. It was without even asking. It was great.
I recommend him so thoroughly. Thank you.
William's clarity, the way he explained everything, also the fact that he's actually given me a whole lot of things to go away and think about and to do a bit more research about. So it's just, it's kind of really stimulated my thought processes and a different way to think about my health.
Information that's put simply, but you can see it's backed up with research, and that's why I would recommend to come.
I think everybody should have a chance to be aware of the health advantages of what William can talk about.
And the information has been absolutely valuable. I'm seeing and resonating with some alignments with my cultural beliefs around a holistic way of balancing health and well-being. So, our whare is made up of 4 walls: whare tapawha, whare tinana, whare hinengaro, whare wairua, and taha hinangaro. And so the mindset, body, spirit even works to remain healthy. So yeah, some great resonations for me. I loved it.
Tickets are selling fast, so book now and transform your health journey today.